It is the reason, ang langit mo hinungdan, that we have to leave everything in this world. And we are not going to take many things but empty except your faithfulness towards God going to heaven. This morning, before we go on to our meeting, we will have our devotional verse, which is found in 2 Corinthians chapter 8, verse 21. It says, "For we are taking great care to do what is right." So there's no option to do what is right, not only in the eyes of the Lord, but also in the eyes of men. So do not say duha ka buk adresi, which is our good works is intended to do. One is for the Lord, second also is to men. Why? We are accountable to God in everything that we decide, we will do, we will act. It will be accountable before God individually. At the same time, it will create also an influence and accountability towards our fellow men. We are the lights of this world. We are the salt of this world. It's the reason, because of the reason that we have to do good works as well towards men. So these two obligations, diagonal, the vertical and horizontal responsibilities of taking care of good works, is our main duties and responsibilities in this world, whether we are Adventist or non-Adventist. No? As long as we are Christians. Even the non-Christians, those who are not believing God, they have also in some way an innate feelings of how they are going to do good works towards their fellow men and towards the one who they believe that is their superior or supreme being, not exactly a God that they believe. So the good works that Paul is trying to emphasize to all of us is taking great care to do what is right. So what is right is always inevitable. That's why in every company, organization, doon na sa guidelines, doon na sa internal policy, and doon na sa gitawag o kanang books of discipline, books of organizational or corporate guidelines. Maupod sa Ginoo, doon na sa general books. The general books of God, which is so what we have known is the Ten Commandments. That is the constitution and bylaws of the governance and the government of God in heaven. Nga gihatag nato as human being under heaven government. So kana siya nag-prevent na nato to do what is not good in the sight, abominable in the sight of God, at the same time to take care and to guide us into doing what is right and acceptable before Him. Kaya dili mautanan nga kung na not all that we think about right is always right. Doon ay mga utan na kung na sakto, but it is not right. No? Muna ito a question of Christian ethics, of question of ethical guidelines, whether how are we going to define the right or what is good, what is right. Kaya it might differ in different aspects of based on culture and based on principle and based on maybe environment or organization. But there are specific rules nga gigovern ang tao under heaven, that is the will of God, that is the Ten Commandments. That's the reason why one of the lawyers, member of the Sanhedrin, and also member of the core of the Pharisees, tried to trap God and ask, what is good things do I need to do in order for me to be in heaven, to be saved? So ang ginomingon sa 19 of Matthew, verse 18, he says, keep the commandments. Keep the commandments. So keeping the commandments is guidelines for becoming a good citizens in heaven and a good citizens on earth. And that's the reason why every government, halos tibok, even the communist government, followed on the same tenets and patterns sa Ten Commandments. Dili ka magpatay, dili ka mangawa, dili ka saksing baka ikot na diha sa Bible. Jadi every democratic country around 50% nga naa sa kuan, naa sa Biblia, sa Ten Commandments gikuha nila. Because they believe that this is a moral guidelines that man should live in accordance to the community, to the government, in environment with full of love and order. So, the law and order na makinabuhitan na malinawon. Although Satan is trying to disrupt and destroy all these laws, no? All these laws. However, for us, Paul is trying to remind us, being the people of God, serving Him, and also being the employee of Giant, serving to the company. Nag-remind siya nato nga, for we are taking great care to do what is right. What is right is in our company, is the guidelines of the company, memos of the company, instructions of the company, direct commands of the company, and the objective of the company. No, kung sa mga objective in the company, we are selling motorcycle, we are making financing, we are doing good collections, we are doing the right, especially kamo sa head sa branch, so mga managers, you are maintaining the peace and order of your branch, and you are performing the duties which is bestowed within you and within your soldiers, no? As soldiers, kaya para na maka-perform sa company. Muna i-expect sa Ginoo, not only to the eyes of the Lord. So kung gusto ang Ginoo nga we are doing for Him as a bride nga, okay, I will do it for the Lord, I will do it for the Lord only. You cannot say that I am serving the Lord, but it cannot be shown and it cannot be revealed to fellow men. Makita gina, mabitan nag-ingon ni James na, show me your faith towards God without works, and I will show you my faith with works. So makuyog gini silang duha, nga naa gini say work, naa ni say faith, naa ni say work, naa kun say love. Magkuyog na ang duha. Dili na pwede nga, oh, I am serving God, and yet your character is indifferent to what is good in the sight of men. Hebrews 6:10, for God is not unrighteous to forget your work and the love which you have showed towards His name. So the Lord is always very serious about our works, whether we are serious or of our obligations in the company or not, whether we are just taking lightly of our obligation or not, whether we are contemplating works to the company and contemplating works to others. O ginay gitawag na sa crippling in hearts, na gunawon na kang trabaho diri, gunawon mo kang trabaho bikas. So God is not unrighteous to forget your works, and this is always the basis sa pagdaabot sa panahon sa mubalik ang Ginoo. It's always the basis. Works and those who overcome. O tanang sa 7 churches nga naghatag og symbolism sa atong kahimtang karon nga we belong to the Laodicean church. Kanunay kay mingon ang Ginoo diha, I know your works. So God is always very consistent of considering the good works. Bisa I know your works, tanan from Ephesus paingon sa Smyrna, Sardis, Philadelphia, Pergamum to Laodicea. Ang iyang entry diha, I know your works. And then those who overcome, napo diri. So ang works, ora gyud i-consider na gito nga ang mga tao doon nakita sometimes, except Philadelphia is doing a perfect works. Itawag na sa faithful church. Pero all the rest of the 7 churches naagid sa mga weaknesses. That's why ingon ang Ginoo, I know your works, damo ni ingani ka kadasig, gani ka, but at the same time this is your weaknesses. But Philadelphia is a perfect church. Tawag na siya o faithful church nga wa gyud kasaway. But the Laodicean church is very unfortunate, no? Kita nga daghan tang mga weaknesses. But the Lord says, those who will overcome and those who will open the door and those who will be changed, I am willing to come in. So, meaning, going back to the template, or going back to what I'm talking, is work is very important, necessary, vital. Isa kamo mga ninyo na o walitaw pa na nag-live
you will realize later on, doon na kita ko yung amigo nga nagsigig luksulok trabaho. Siglok sulok sa trabaho. Okay man na magsiglok sulok sa trabaho kung patanon pa ka. You have to kanang kuan magitawag og happy. Work happy. Lukso diri, lukso dito, lukso dito, lukso dito. Kadugayan may pareha-pareha sa kong edad. Di sa karita. Kaya wala nga sa service record sa company. Kaya doon ako ng retirement. Either will retire within the company or retire in ACCS. Pwede siya makaretire sa ACCS, pero kailangan ba ACCS? Ang dako mo tayong retirement doon sa company, sa service record sa company. So, hangtod karon nagsikilan siya, lukso-lukso. Minsan ko, asa na pala ito karon na nung anay malimutan ka ng kuhan. Malito trabaho sa saudan. Sige, magkukuhan siya. Sa lukso yung trabaho kay minta diri, ari na po diri, kuhaon po diri, kariton po diri. Kadugay, wala sa service record, na-defeat niya ang iyang mga kuhan. Kanya dako sa position. Nindot siya o kanang profession. Pero ang problema, magsalig na lang sila sa iyang pension kung retire siya sa ACCS, which is gamay ra gina. Supposed to be he will retire in a good company nga maka-earn sa dako once mo retire siya nga kanang ko. Muna ako sa ginan ko kung ako nimo magkuha na lang ka maguna-una lang di ka kung say the best nimo nga nabili sa imong tenure, sa imong days, sa imong years. Guys, at the age of 65, mga malina, alanganin na ka-retire sa organization, para sa organization, di nakaka-retire, kaya 15 years ikinanglan sa organization, sa Adventist, di report sa plan, wala na po, nagamay na po ang imong service record, ang service record. So, good works and your dedication is vital. God is not unrighteous to forget to work. And the love, kaya ba kung trabaho tanaw na tayo lab, alisod na gina. Dili na gina. Wala magwila yung motivation sa pagtrabaho. Wala ito sa una nga, trabaho ko sa HATS. Kasi mo na income sa HATS, pwede mo dili na ito. Ngita pag rin trabaho mo company. I earn almost 1 million a month. Pero ako kaibigan akong partner, kanang which is akong boss before, ko partner ko nga ko. If I'm not no longer happy with my works, mubiya ko kay magsud kayo ng work ko na dili na ko happy lisod kayo na kanang kuan. So regardless of your salary, regardless of your days of pay, kung sa kaya akong salary kay mo sa na salary nga o imong income kung wala na kay lab, wala man yapon problema ka. Nabot yun ang time nga kuan kung gusto na din resign kuan sa wala ni conflict nito ha. Gusto ko sa kay gusto mo mong pahuway sa akong balay. Kaya mga bata, nagdako na, nagkuha na si Panita na nakuha na sa kanila. Kung gusto na kung waka ito mga 2015, pahuwi na siya ko, ibigin na naman ko yung negosyo kamay na ako yung income kamay, na ako savings, na namibalay, na isakyan na. Maabot yan, bisa tali ko sa kanako, wadyo ko lang ito nga, sayang ako, dibiyaan. Dili, abot yun na panahon nga, mapatig ka. Nga kuha. Ang magdalagin mo is motivation, love din pagtrabaho. Kaya kung love na ito, nagkuha naman, na-torn between two lovers naman ko. Either mo love gusto ng trabaho, na magbiyahe ko from Kalibo, going to Samar, the same ruta, anak, exit Masbate, or muspel na kung time sa akong mga anak. Na makuyog ko nila kita sa Sabado, o tumuntag ko nila, transform na ko ko, yung ngani man, gani ang kinabuhi niya. Ang kuha nga kung, si Pangita naman, si Kay, kurang na kinala nag-father figure, sinapangita sila. Asa na sila? Sa trabaho kong trabaho. Sige na pangita, kada kuhan, kada naibola pero plano na abang mas labi diyan. Wala pa yung balagit ang plano. Sana mas labi anak niyo, si mabot namin. So, yabot ang panahon nga, I have to choose. Pero ang akong gitili, naghimo kong laing kumaki nga, so ano ko pag-balance, ma-maintain ako ang company. At the same time, makakuan ko sa mga anak na ako kanunay. Kaya sahib, just pala wala man ko nila. So moto, pag sugod ato nga, 2010 ako itong gigwagil. Bahalag mo gasto ko, molik ko, kada Sabado, Bernes, molik ko. Bernes, kisat ko ako sa Iloilo, molik ko, kaya simba ko kung mga bata, balik ko pagka Lunes. Tiwason ako sa Iloilo, going down, asa ko nakita within the week. Aris Bacolod, sa Bacolod, molik ko, kada Sabado. Dito na balance, nung balik ko na ko ako, hindi pang ni mga kanya itong trabaho, hindi mo i-balance ang family, pagpangalagad, kung ang pagtrabaho, mo-perform ka, kaya yung na pwede ko, makitaan man sa company, naka-blackboard ko, ang mga sales ko, naka-blackboard. Na, ako kayo na-implement sa ako. Ako na yung makabakbo dito, naka-graph ba? Kung naka-graph na, nawawabay ko yung record nga may action down. Always, gataas kina. Kay ako man, particular man tayo sa akong kwan, sa akong percentage. Ang akong graph, kung naaman gani, dili mo increase steady. Always kaya dito 2000, year 2001. Gataas kina, gataas. Kasi taas ang graphic niya. So, moto ako na dili ko kung dili man lang gali ko ka-perform, resign siguro po ako una-una. Yung nauna lang ko anak ko sa balay, na may ganit kayo na solusyonan. Na-retain na ko ang kung love sa company, tapos sa akong family na kuan. Tapos sa Sabado na ko nila. Kada Sabado na ako nila kanunay na makakuyog na ko nila Linggo, pagka-Lunes, lagi ka na ko. Tungtod nga nabot yung panahon nga oral dili na din makay pagdili ng Giant. Dili na mag torn between two lovers ako. Di man pwede nga I love Giant and I hate the other. I love also Hats. So, kapag yung panahon nga buhian, pili na ko, which is ang ako kong partner, ingan isa na dili man sa kusong buhian ko, pero ingan sa na nakitaan ko nung niya ang potential sa Giant. So, pinanglan ako nga kanang mo concentrate. May ganin siya kayo open up. Pero ako ta ako sa mo pili dito. Mo lead dito sa Hats. Concentrate ko ani. Kaya may po natutunan ka branches o mga pito. So, morning nga ang atong trabaho, ang inyong trabaho, niya ni sa ang ato ko patrabaho ng trabaho balik tas Ginoo paabot sa pagka sa Ginoo. Ato ginamit dinamon. Otherwise, we cannot perform a good works. Kaya may laing appreciation of good works. Ka-appreciate ka sa imo mismo, ikaw satisfied ka na, oh, I have done my work, I have done my good works. My part, whether that is spiritual works, or in the church works, or in your works in the company, sa imong family. So, all of those being considered by God, nag-record na niya. God is not unrighteous to forget your work. Tanan, gina-record na. So, I hope na as we go along, as we work together, as we move forward, we will always consider na the passion of working, the love, dedication to work, Sunday to Friday, na pagka Saturday, inyo na lang sa Ginoo. Naaghapon. Kay, wala na siya, wala na may motivation, it will reflect your works as well. And the result is not good. Okay? So may the Lord bless us this morning.
Amen.
Okay.